Space is silent because sound can't travel without air.
But in 20 Lung 6, NASA recorded something terrifying. A strange signal echoed from deep space, repeating every few seconds.
Scientists later discovered the sound came from a giant black hole over 50 million light-years away.
The note it produced was a B-flat, 57 octaves below middle C.
The black hole created pressure waves inside hot gas, basically turning an entire galaxy into a speaker. And the scariest part, that sound is still echoing through space right now.